What's going on YouTube, GeoSnow here. In today's video we're discussing about a brand new jailbreak that was released, NekoJB, which allows you to jailbreak your device, and this one compared to Pelrain allows you to use the SEP or Secure Enclave processor, which means you can use FaceID or TouchID, you can use Apple Pay and stuff like that, which is a major problem on Pelrain. You cannot use those. With this jailbreak you can have a passcode, it doesn't require a computer, so it's much better. This video is brought to you by ForMiki, a software that allows you to unlock the activation lock from your device if it's a second-hand device and you got scammed on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or stuff like that. If you want to use the device, you can do so with this. It supports iPhone 10 and older. It also supports turning off the camera sound. Definitely check the program out in the link below. A free trial is available for both Windows and macOS. So a couple of days ago, there was a brand new jailbreak released called NekoJB. This one is available on nekojb.hhls.xyz, and for support you should basically contact the developer directly. And this is the website for the jailbreak. It says NekoJB here, unleash your device. The IPA file is available over here and it's currently in public beta version 3. Now what this is basically a semi-untethered jailbreak for arm64 devices, which include essentially the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, stuff like that, and it supports iOS 15.0 up to 15.8. Now it says in here that all arm64 devices are supported, so there shouldn't be a problem. It supports all the way down to iPhone 6s. It does support TWEAKS and stuff like that. You don't have to uninstall Pelrain, and compared to Pelrain, this is great because you can use, as I said, the Passcode, FaceID, Apple Pay. You can use all these. Now, this does support iOS 15.0 up to 15.8, and you can download it right now. There is also another alternative if you don't want to use Pelrain, which requires a computer. You can jailbreak with Pelrain, and then you can use something that was released a couple of days ago called Jailbreak 2. And this one essentially supports the same thing, iOS 15.0 up to iOS 15.7.6 in this case. And this one allows you to re-jailbreak your device after it was initially jailbroken with Pelrain, and you can install this with TrollStore so that it doesn't require re-signing, and it doesn't require a computer either. You can just re-enable the jailbreak, the Pelrain jailbreak, directly from your device, so essentially like Uncover or Dopamine, without requiring a computer. And it's also semi-untethered, so it's basically the same thing as Neko. So yeah, definitely check it out in the link below. It's available as IPA file. You can install it via TrollStore as well. I just wanted to let you know that it is available if you are jailbroken with Pelrain, and if using a passcode, FaceID, TouchID or Apple Pay is something you need, which Pelrain cannot provide on many versions. Thank you for watching. I'm GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.